Creating a new folder in SkyDrive. Just as files in the libraries on your computer are organized into folders, you can organize your shared files into folders on SkyDrive. You can then share individual folders with different people so that nobody has access to your entire SkyDrive content. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this directly from the Windows mode. Okay, so here's my Internet Explorer. Remember, when we open the Internet Explorer on Windows mode, see, we are not going to have the address bar all the way on the top. Okay, now if we right click, actually, here's the address bar all the way on the bottom. Now from here, I'm just going to type in SkyDrive. Okay, there's one suggestion, so I'm just going to click on, and I'm going to be checking through. Let me see. Now from here, we say that I'm gonna type SkyDrive into the search window. Okay, and it's giving me a link. I'm gonna click into the link, and basically, this told me to get started. There's a download. Okay, 7 gigabytes of free cloud storage. Okay, basically, it's gonna we get 7 gigabytes of free cloud storage that's accessible from anywhere. Okay, if we scroll down, see, this was giving me a small explanation. Okay, now if I download the SkyDrive, see, it's just gonna install a folder under my computer, which is also gonna be very useful because from there I could just drag any files into that folder and they're gonna be uploaded into the SkyDrive. Okay, so that could also make things easy. Okay, now I'm just gonna go ahead and go back to start and check my desktop, and I'm going to open my File Explorer. Okay, as you guys can see, this is my navigation pane. I don't have that folder that was being displayed on the other window. Okay, now I'm gonna go back using Windows logo. Once we click on the Windows logo, what was the application that I was using? Okay, I'm gonna use Control Tab and see the different applications that I was using. So this is the one that I was, okay, in Internet Explorer. Okay, now remember, Alt Tab. This is gonna take you to the different applications that you have open. Alt Tab. In this case, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 applications. And when I get to the Internet Explorer to download my SkyDrive, okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and click on download. I'm gonna be prompted. You want to run save SkyDrive. I'm gonna run this application. Okay, now do you want to allow the following program to make changes to this computer? Yes. And there is the SkyDrive is downloading. Basically, like I said, it's gonna download and create a folder right here under my favorites. Okay, and there's the SkyDrive folder. Welcome to SkyDrive. Okay, get started. Okay, there's gonna be a small explanation, where's the folder is gonna be located, what do you wanna sync. Okay, we could sync all, or you guys could just choose, what folders to share. Okay, so in this case, in this computer, let's see, emailing will say Excel. Okay, well, all files and folders on my SkyDrive. Okay, well, remember that I already have my account and I have quite a few different folders. So, okay, I wanna make it available in this computer. Okay. Now fetch your files from anywhere. Forget to put something on the SkyDrive folder. Fetch files on this PC from other devices. Okay, let me use SkyDrive to fetch any of my files on this PC. Okay, I'm done. Okay, now all the files that I have on the SkyDrive, see, they are gonna be updated into this computer. Okay, Once you can see a yellow check mark, because all the files are being already uploaded. Okay. Now that I have this, from here I could just directly go into my ribbon and create a new folder, and the new folder is just gonna be uploaded directly into the cloud SkyDrive. If I add any files, same thing's gonna happen. It's gonna be added into SkyDrive. Okay. So now that we downloaded the SkyDrive, okay, we are gonna go ahead and continue. I'm just gonna go ahead and minimize this window. Okay, there's my SkyDrive folder. Close that. Now open. See my file explorer. There's my SkyDrive. So I have my libraries and all my documents online. I could have access to them. Okay. Now, unfortunately, from here I can see well, I could share with my home group, but I can share this. I can apply the share options from here from my computer. Okay. Anytime that you guys wanna share something, you guys are gonna have to go back to SkyDrive Online directly from your browser and apply the settings whenever you guys wanna share something. Okay, so I'm just gonna go back. Okay, so this has been downloaded. Okay, let me go ahead and again SkyDrive. Okay, and there's all my folders. Okay, um, now from here, if I wanna create a new folder, see, here's the options. I'm just gonna click on folder. New folder is created, just like if I created a folder on my computer. Okay. Just gonna rename it SkyDrive tutorial, and there's my folder with 0 files. Okay. If I wanna upload something, okay, I'm gonna click on upload files. I'm gonna wanna upload. Okay. Also, that I wanna upload the speech recognition commands. You open. And uploading speech recognition command is done. Okay. Now when I open the folder, this folder is empty. You can drag files. Okay. It wasn't uploaded into that folder. Okay. So let's go ahead and go back to files. Okay, and see, this is why I like to use the other display. Because let me see. Okay, let me go ahead and switch to the list mode. Okay, here's our little icon. Okay, now from here, the new folder that I just created is right here, SkyDrive tutorial. It's empty. Okay, now what about the other file that I just uploaded? The other file that I just uploaded was, let's see, this is Windows 8. Okay, check the browser series, see if it is done. Okay. Okay, remember that right now I'm using a different browser. I'm using the Internet Explorer 10. Okay, Windows mode. Okay, so it's not displaying. It's not displaying that the PDF. Okay. Here's the other picture that we just uploaded into the other. On the other video. Okay. So I'm just gonna go ahead and drag that picture into that folder. Okay. Where's that folder? Okay, answer that folder, come on. Okay, so this picture that we uploaded into the other video tutorial. Okay, I'm just gonna go ahead and drag it into that SkyDrive tutorial folder that we just created recently. Okay, there is a SkyDrive tutorial. I'm just gonna drag into, and there you go. Now when I open that SkyDrive tutorial, here's that picture. Okay, now if I want to upload another file, I just click on upload. I'm going directly to my computer. Here's the speech recognition. Okay, when I click on open, and according to the message here, it's already uploaded. Okay, there it is. Okay, remember that it's not gonna open right here because we are into the Windows mode. Okay, now I'm gonna go back to files, and there's all my files. Okay, so to create a new folder. So we can also create a Word, Excel, any other documents, or even an Excel survey if you want. Okay. Now remember, we could just go directly to SkyDrive, Windows mode, on Internet Explorer, and upload or create any folders. Okay. If I want to share the folder that we just created, okay, remember that. First of all, we need to highlight and select that folder, and then we have all different options up here. If I want to share that, click on share. We could post it to Facebook, get a link. Okay, just like we did it before on the other video. If I want to allow only to view the picture, that will be the link. Allow him to view and download, that's going to be the second option. Make it public, the last option. Okay, there you go. Now I'm going to go ahead and close that application. Okay, now I'm going to go into the desktop mode, and from here I'm going to open the Internet Explorer. Okay, now the address bar, remember now we access the Internet Explorer on the desktop mode. Again, I'm just gonna go back to SkyDrive, skydrive.com, and this window opens again. See, now it's very similar. The only difference is that we have the address bar all the way on the top. Okay, now from here again, I'm just gonna display this as a list. Okay, and SkyDrive, here's the SkyDrive tutorial. I'm gonna open that. Here's the speech recognition. See, and right away I'm being asked, okay, what do you want to do? Open, save, or cancel? I'm just gonna click on open, and I'm gonna access, see, this document directly from my SkyDrive on my computer. Okay, there you go. Let me go ahead and close everything else. So I have the desktop open, right click close, SkyDrive open, right click close, back to the start, and that is creating and downloading the SkyDrive app on Windows 8, and also sharing files with other people. Thank you, guys.